The key audience for the guidelines is people in organisations who have obligations under the Disability Discrimination Act not to discriminate against people because of disability when providing digital goods and services, such as creators of digital goods and services, designers, developers, publishers and educators, compliance professionals, generalists and specialists, such as those working in data privacy, corporate affairs, information security, and human resources. Organisation leaders such as boards and directors, principals and managers, and procurement professionals. These guidelines are also critical for people with disability and their representative organisations, disability peak bodies and advocates. These guidelines will assist them with understanding and exercising their right to non-discrimination in the digital world.